Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on a Malibu, sister-in-law's Malibu. Yesterday guys, you remember I prepared everything for a primer. Kind of everything for a primer. I also went ahead cleaned everything out over here. So that way today I can start it with the fresh. So right now what I need to do is take this molding off. And probably while I'm working on this door, I should probably take it apart completely. DA it around, send it in this area a little more, 320, DA it, and mask a little, mix the primer, apply it, and then continue working probably on the interior because it's early morning, it's cool enough where I'm not gonna be super hot working in the car. So as you can see, foot airbag or leg airbag, whatever you wanna call, wheel airbag, roof airbags, and 2 seat belts. Hopefully no tensioners. Oh man, this tensioner is, man, I don't think I ordered any tensioner. That's gonna be a bummer, but we'll see. We'll see what's today's day gonna bring. First, let's start with the bodywork and then move to the interior. Oh, Lala, gagana. Okay, I'm done with the primer here. Now you can cure outside while I'm gonna be disassembling this interior, disassembling the door so I can paint it, and also I'll talk about it later. And I'm gonna start taking this side panels off so I can drop the headliner. I bought the seat belts on eBay and they come with the retractor with the tensioner, so nice. So yeah, let's start replacing all the safety bags, airbags, safety bags, restraint system. Let's just get it over with it. Okay, finally replaced all the airbags. I mean, almost all of them, except the dash airbag and passenger knee airbag. Seat belts replaced, wheel airbag replaced, knee airbag replaced, roof airbags replaced, and the whole interior is back. Oh man, it was pain to do this in the 100-degree weather. Oh, so painful, but I'm glad I'm over with it. Now what I need to do is I need to start disassembling this door, because I need to prepare it for painting, and because tomorrow I wanted to paint. So in order to do that I need to disassemble it. So let's get to it, disassemble and start preparing for paint. Same thing with the hood and fender and the bumper. So let's get to it. Done with the disassembly. Now it's ready to start sanding primer. It's been all day already on the sun, so I'm pretty sure it's dry. Also, scuff it up a whole door. This corner over here make it blendable. Also need to apply a rock chip, prepare the hood, prepare the fender, prepare the bumper. Plenty of work to do. That's why let's grab a water, sandpaper, and start sanding primer first, and then rest of the stuff. Gonna be using the past Jeff hooked me up with for DA gray Scotch Brite. And just like that, I'm done with the door and the hood. Probably still gonna be a couple spot missed, especially over here, but it's okay. I can scuff it up little spots, and that's it, man. That pad is nice. Lots of progress on today. So all the airbags replaced, all the interior reassembled, both seat belts replaced, bodywork finished, primer, and all that. Man, today was a really productive day. So tomorrow I'm hoping to paint, so I'm hoping to start early in the morning so I can prepare the bumper and the fender. Also, I'm gonna have to get everything off of the garage, probably today off camera, wipe it and dust it out with the blower, so that way overnight everything settles, and then I'm gonna be able to paint everything. Should be warmer enough at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. so hopefully that's a plan. If not, oh well, that's how it's gonna be. We'll see. Tomorrow's day is gonna bring another adventure. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I know it's not BMW, but hold on, guys, hold on. I'm trying to get this situated. I need to help a family, you know. Almost done with the truck. Sounds like a part's gonna be here this Friday, so bear with me. BMW is soon gonna be back, and also a couple new projects you guys gonna be happy to see. That's it. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.